Hey, I'm Nick Evans. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Avocado, and we wanted to put together some videos to show you how you could use AI in the product. Today, we're just going to do some simple things playing with the menu. For current customers, this will look familiar. This is the sales dashboard. I'm going to go over to the AI assistant. I'm going to say, come up with a new crazy coffee drink. And AI just came up with a spicy s'mores cold brew. Okay, that sounds kind of good. I'd get that. Now I'm gonna say, add that to the menu. And so the output before was just text. Now that I've told it to add it to the menu, it'll actually pull up the menu and make this ready to go live. So you can see from the cute little stars that we have here, this is where the AI's made changes. And all right, this looks pretty good. It'll even write a description for you. It'll match the tone and style of your other descriptions, along with the price. It'll look at the other prices on your items and try and do its best guess on how you should price it. So I'm gonna hit save on this. And now that I've hit saved, this is pushing it live. So really soon here on the point of sale, you'll see this button pop up and you're ready to take orders with this. There we go. Great, now let's generate an image for this. So a lot of the items on the point of sale for your online ordering and for your kiosk, they already have images. I'm gonna enter kiosk mode. You can see we've got a lot of beautiful images here for all these items, but we're missing some, including the spicy s'mores cold brew. So I am going to go back over to the AI. I'm going to say, generate an image for the new item, look at the latte and mimic that style. So a lot of people would say, you know, I don't want to use AI images for my restaurant, and that's understandable. However, AI images are getting better, and there's a couple tricks to be able to use AI to make them look really great. One of which is to match the style of some of your existing items. For example, let's say you have a pepperoni pizza, but you want a cheese pizza image. You can ask AI, hey, here's my pepperoni pizza, just remove the pepperoni, and you'll get a fantastic looking image that you can add to the menu that looks exactly like the real thing. So that's exactly what we've done here. This is a pretty good image. Okay, now it's generated it, I'm gonna have it add it to the menu. Watch over here on the kiosk, we'll see this new image pop up. Okay, there we go. So those were a couple quick prompts that you can do with the Avocado AI. There's so much more that you can do. We're learning every day, playing with it ourselves and helping restaurants. And actually, we're also learning from you, from our current customers using the AI and getting your requests and seeing what you prompt. So hopefully that's helpful. This is just some starter items. We're gonna get into some more complicated stuff that can help you with your online ordering, your customers, checking your sales, and a lot more. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.